Go.
Hello, we're here to help you put together your flying banner. You'll get it in a box that looks like this. Open up your box, and inside you'll have a bag with holes. You have 3 holes, all different sizes. Your clip, your band, the bottom of your stand, and your banner. Make sure to open this up. It will also come with this, which you can either put water or sand in. You put it on here, that way it holds the banner down. Wind won't blow it over. We start with putting the biggest pole on the bottom. And then we will take your banner, and you want to be careful when you do this as to not rip the fabric. You'll start with the smallest pole, and it's best if you have somebody help you so you don't rip the fabric. Connect the smaller pole. Make sure when connecting it's this end, not this end. Snap it together. Make sure you have the second person just gently put this through so it doesn't rip. You'll bend that piece. And then you're going to take your clip it onto your grommet, and you'll raise and adjust this once we have it all tied together. This adjusts up and down for size. And there you have your banner.